Today I'm going to be reviewing this Mountainor Vitamin C Serum. This is a vitamin C serum from Mountainor with 20% of vitamin C, hyaluronic acid. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right. And it also has vitamin E. This is a 30 ml bottle and this is a dropper. This is a glass bottle and can you see the product? It's kind of pale yellow in color. The best thing about this product is that it doesn't have any kind of parabens and sulfates and any kind of harmful chemicals. So it's really good for your skin. That's what I like about this product. And one more thing is it is kind of watery consistency. It is not at all greasy. It just gets quickly absorbed into your skin, and you'll not have a feeling of actually applying something. It feels so light, and the smell is also very mild. um, Another thing is that this is very good for oily skin people. People like me, see, I get my T-zones very oily, especially during summer and hot climate, and it gives me breakouts. But after I started using this product, I've been using it for about 4 months now, and I'm not facing any kind of skin issues. I don't have any kind of breakouts and troubles like that. I will just tell you how you have to apply this, or how I apply this. Just before I sleep, I just wash my face and apply about 6 to 8 drops on my face and neck, and I just leave it on like that, and next day I wash it in the morning. You won't believe it, but in 3 days you're going to see the results. Your skin is going to feel really soft and glowing and radiant. You should definitely try this product. And one more thing is very important thing is you don't have to refrigerate it. Like I have read reviews of many products like recast and things. I'm not sure how it works, but so many people have complained that it gets oxidized and it forms some kind of filmy white kind of liquid or something like that. So you don't have any kind of problem like that with this, because this bottle I've been using for 4 months now, as I told you. I use it regularly, except that I have skipped it maybe for 10 to 15 days when I was away from my home. So other than that, I've been applying it regularly, and this is going to really do wonders to your skin. I'm sure you should try this product. I will definitely recommend this, and hope you like the video. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like. Don't forget to do that. Thank you.